Hey, what's up? Improvement Warrior, Jason Yun, back with you again. We're in the kitchen. Spencer is here. Want to make a video about these Paleo Ooewy Gooey chocolate bars. There's no chips. We didn't have chocolate chips. What do you think of the Ooewy Gooey chocolate bars? Pumpkin chocolate bars. You like them?
Yep.
What's your rate?
I give 100.
100? Okay. It's supposed to be on a scale of 1 to 10. Okay, but super easy to make. So the ingredients you need 3/4 cup pumpkin puree, half a cup of melted either coconut oil, ghee, or butter. We use coconut oil.
Use the butter.
1 egg whisked up. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup almond flour. 1/4 cup coconut flour. And half a cup lakanto or erythritol or approved paleo keto sweetener. And we also use 2 tablespoons of honey in as the coconut oil was melted up. And then 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and then 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. And then we also used 1 scoop of amped chocolate milk protein from Isogenics. And super easy, just combine all your dry ingredients, then mix it up, add the wet ingredients in, then your oven is preheated 350. Put it in your baking dish 8x8 and then bake it for around 30 minutes at 354 degrees. And tastes delicious. I give it a 9.9. Again, super easy to make. Don't forget, check out all the links down below. Check out all the links down below. Keto Challenge, Paleo Challenge, LBN, online, strength and fitness workouts, Patreon, everything is down there. Okay? But any questions, let me know. Like, comment, share this video, and I will see you next time. And then what is Mrs. Yun's rating?
A 9.
A 9. Okay. Little boy likes it as well, don't you?
10 plus 11.
All right, that's it. Have a great day. Stay strong. Stay positive. Be the improvement warrior.